Sahyadri School was established in September 1995. It's a school that is meant for children for classes 4 to 10. It is co-educational and affiliated to the ICSE Board of Exams. The vision of the school is to bring about an education that would nurture the whole child, and in that context, teachers work closely together, relate with the children. The house parents who look after children in the dormitories that they live in are also teachers. And so this dual role enables adults to be closely in contact with the children and help them to grow. The approach to learning is also marked by the consciousness that there should be no fear in the life of the child. And so the challenge that the school faces is in finding approaches that would draw children into learning without the persuasion that punishment and rewards bring about. And the reason that this figures prominently in the school's philosophy is so that there is a sense of responsibility that children may enter into, out of which they may participate much more fully in a spirit of freedom and without fear that any regimented environment might bring about.
In the early stage, they are more exposed to handling colors, trying to explore on their own. We are more an observer, allowing them to explore and experiment the whole process. After their work, they have group discussions where they discuss how they are working, and they see their development through these 2 years in different areas like weaving, pottery, batik, carpentry, painting. The main focus is on drawing and painting, and these other things are also areas of exploration for the children.
The way we teach is I would not call it radical so much as refreshingly different. We try to find different ways of explaining a subject, making them do some practical work, doing projects, field work, library related, very strong intellectual content in our courses as they go to senior classes.
Majority of my time is spent amongst the students I teach, and there again it's a great pleasure because what we offer to students is really alongside the subjects and the skills of the subjects which you would do in any school. Alongside that, for them to be exploring who they are and about themselves. I think that is again an ongoing and never-ending challenge for the students too. And if you look at a whole week, a child in class 6, for example, would have 2 blocks of art, at least one period of music, all alongside the academics which they do, and in which too teachers are trying their best to make it concrete. Nor is managing children an issue because they stay here, their lives are also very settled.
Being a house parent, one has to take care of the children, basically their physical needs certainly, but it's more to do with their emotional needs and the life that they lead here and what's going on in their life, to relate to them and find out how they find this place, and to make them understand that the kind of life that they're leading here will also help them to be part of the world which is outside.
So the things that stand out for children in my view are a sense of freedom and independence in their own thinking. Children also actively participate in a theatre workshop, games, athletic events. The approach to academics is also not narrowly confined to success in examinations. And so teachers work at how can children learn subjects and understand what they are learning rather than merely memorize and succeed in exams.
I like this school because you have many friends here and everybody know you.
Okay, when you got lots of friends here and at home you don't have so many friends and stuff.
I like this place because it's on a hill and every time the wind is all around.
And I like everything about Sahyadri. It's just a very good place.